everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Econstruct Design and Build Private Limited. This is a dedicated channel for civil and structural design engineers. And as you all know, we are consultants and contractors. And we have also launched on-the-job learning programs for civil engineers so that they can gain real work experience. So basically, the trainings that we offer are not exactly like, your coaching center, your tuition center, or school or college kind of a training where it is a syllabus bound training, timetable bound training, or it is a faculty bound training. So we don't believe in these kind of things. So how did that happen? How did we get an idea about on the job learning? We visited many engineering colleges across India for internship and placement drives. We interviewed more than thousands of civil engineers, and during COVID time we even offered online internships to so many civil engineers. And in the whole process of placement drives, we realized the main problem with the civil engineers is we are, during our engineering, we are studying so many subjects, more than 50, 60 subjects and practicals and so many things we are doing. But it is like puzzles. You are learning so many things, but you don't know how to connect everything together in order to get the, I would say, the result. And finally, you all are studying because you want to enter into the core civil line. So once you want to enter into the core civil industry, your employer is going to expect you to basically be productive and to give the output at the end of the day. They are more interested whether you can do the project from start to end or not. Your employer is more interested in knowing whether you are in position to, handle the client, handle the vendors, handle the team, and even do your proper technical reports, presentations, and basically work independently. For example, if you are into the structures department, if you are someone who can handle the project right from central line plan to GFC, if you are someone who has the correct judgment and the attitude which is required to become a structural engineer. The main problem with our education system is we are just learning so many subjects. We are mostly, the system is established in such a way that we are mostly behind, I would say, getting marks, getting the certification at the end of the day, and just getting out of the college. Once UG is over, some people think, let me do PG, let me do post-graduation, and let me even do some other private certifications, then I will get the right job. But actually, when we visited so many colleges, we met so many civil and structural engineers, we interviewed them, we spoke to them, we tried to understand what are the challenges they are facing. Then we understood that the whole problem lies in the way they are being taught, because 4 years is a long period of time to invest in doing civil engineering, and after that some people do MTech. And in parallel to all these things, people are even doing some private certification courses. Now, what happens is, until and unless you learn in a hands-on experience, until and unless you experience the project, you are not going to learn in the real sense. And only on-the-job internships during your engineering days will help you. I would say the main thing that there should come a revolution in the education system. Revolution should come in the syllabus. The syllabus is not being revised from so many years, and even if it is revised, we do not have the people who can actually impart the training in a way that by end of the 4 years, person should be in position to do the project right from start to end in any, at least in any one particular department. We even came across so many civil engineers during the final year interview rounds, that they say that I don't even know AutoCAD at expert level. So AutoCAD is not even a skill. It is like ABCD for a civil engineer, which is a basic, which by default they should know. So, and forget about AutoCAD, that is bare minimum basic. But apart from that, there are many other technologies like BIM, project management, and automation has come in every line today. So students need to make themselves aware that how they can use automation in order to bring revolution in the civil line, because this is little bit unorganized sector. But now with AI and automation, a lot of things are changing. Now the question is, are you aware about it, and are you really prepared to survive in the industry in the future, which is going to be completely automated industry, which is going to be having a lot of AI, and it's not going to be that disorganized. We are already in many places, things are changing. And in another few years, in a decade or maybe much lesser than that, there is a lot of development coming up in our country. And especially in the Modi Sarkar, of course, we are seeing our country is reaching a different level of infrastructure. And trust me, there are opportunities. The problem lies in the way things are being taught in the colleges during 4 years. Even after doing 4 years of engineering, people come out and they're saying, like, I don't know AutoCAD also. And even after doing MTech structures, people are not able to design one footing. This is what we realized by taking interviews across India in so many colleges. So the problem is, we not only need to train you on the softwares, or we don't only have to give you the required knowledge, but you need to have the right attitude which is required for a particular job. If you are if if you are building your career as a site engineer, then you should be rough and tough person. So many site engineers also call and say, I want to leave this job, this is not good, site pe gali galoch ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai, mere ko dhoop lag rahi hai, I'm getting skin infection and too many mosquitoes and work timings are not fixed. So all these are the problems, of course. But if you want to elevate your career from the site engineer, I mean, first of all, you should be very rough and tough to experience that life. And it is very important to experience the site life also. And if you want to upgrade from site to project manager, then there are levels, there are things that you need to learn. You know, big builders and all are nowadays using BIM technology, project management tools. If you learn these things, then you can convert it to a white collar job, high paying job in India and abroad. And all the big projects cannot be completed without automation and AI. And with BIM and project management, things have become easier and things have become more streamlined. But the question is, have you even thought about learning these things? Have you started to learn these things? If you have not started to even think about these things, then trust me, in future, you might see yourself in a situation that civil industry, I'm not getting a job. Civil industry, there are no enough opportunities. Civil industry, nobody pays. But actually, the thing is, if you have the right skills and knowledge, then there are many companies in India and abroad who are waiting to hire you. If you are making your career as a structural design engineer, then you will have to understand this is not a career which will give you a very high paid job on the very first day. This is something judgmental science. It takes time for you to get judgment, and only with practice it will come. And if you really want to practice under the industry experts, gain the relevant skills, have the required patience and passions for structures, bring yourself in a position wherein you can handle the project from start to end, from centerline plan to GFC, work on RCC steel composite structures, work on Indian and international codes. And to gain all these things, some amount of time is required, patience is required. And unfortunately, during 4 years of engineering, things are not taught in the right direction. So those 4 years of engineering, I don't know what to say. I mean, almost it goes waste. Unfortunately, if these things are taught during those 4 years, then the scenario will be different. Now, people have to come out of BTech, people have to do MTech, and then gain real work experience. So it is a long process. So I would suggest, if you are in pre-final year or final year, try to grab on-job internships and work under structural consultants office. Even if they don't pay you, go for internships, work with them, talk with them, have networking, create your profile on LinkedIn right from second or third year engineering. Try to network with the industry experts and try to find out from them what the industry is expecting, and try to learn from industry experts. This will give you exposure entirely at a different level. So don't just depend on your college degree. Many people are asking, I don't have MTech structures, can I actually make my career in as a structural engineer? The thing is, there are many people who have MTech structures, but how many of them are actually able to enter into core structural engineering? So the problem lies here that the whole focus is only on the certification, marks, and things like that. You have to take out your focus and make sure that you get into on the job learning. You understand the attitude required for a job. Now, many of you are asking, okay, so Econstruct is offering on the job internships. What is the meaning of on the job internship? Basically, to tell you, on the job internship at Econstruct means this is not going to be a syllabus bound training, not going to be a timetable bound training, not going to be a faculty bound training. You already did all this during your 4 years engineering, 2 years of MTech. You know what is the output of that. So we don't believe in training you under syllabus bound, timetable bound. The funda is simple. Come to our office once the office opens. Go from our office once the office closes. Spend 8 to 9 hours to 10 to 12 hours in our office with our team. So those who are working with us, you actually get them as your mentors. Come with your laptop, sit in the cubicle, sit with our team, work on the projects one after the another. Now, the next question you may ask, I don't have the required skills. I don't know the softwares. That is not your headache. That is our headache. If you are coming to our platform, we'll give you pre-recorded videos through which you will learn the softwares. And if you get doubt, you'll be listening to these videos in our office. So if you get doubt, there are mentors, there are our team members, and Sandeep sir himself. So Mr. Sandeep is our founder and managing director. If you would like to see his profile, visit our website, and under About Us page, we have his profile. So Mr. Sandeep has 20 plus years of work experience. He has worked in Dubai. He holds unlimited structures license in Mumbai. In India, our company is designing up to G plus 62 story structure. He has experience of designing up to G plus 81 story structure in Gulf when he was working there. And he has exposure on RCC steel composite structures. Not only this, he is a passionate structural engineer who has opened up his heart and his mind to train thousands of structural engineers. And those who did master study with us are successfully placed. And many have even started their own company in India and abroad. And getting the Gulf job would be extremely easy if you get trained under Mr. Sandeep and our technical team at Econstruct office. So this is one thing. So this is the mentorship that you are going to get if you come to our Bangalore office, and under our team, you will get exposure to learn everything from start to end from scratch. So right from softwares, right from project-based, right from your code-based knowledge and the structural engineering fundamentals, every damn thing would be taught to you in this hands-on experiential learning program. Now, many of you are asking when is the right time to join your courses. Basically, pre-final year or final year is the right time. If your colleges are sending you for on-job internship during the last semester, then join us right there so that you save upon some time. You can do your engineering and you can also do the internship with us in the final year. So there are basically 3 training programs. You can just check here under corporate on-job training. There is master study in structural engineering. There is master study in project management with BIM technology. And the third course, master study in composite course in structures, BIM and project management, is actually a combination of the first and the second course. So if you want to learn structure, BIM and project management, then, and this especially helps you if you want to start your own consultancy in future, then it is always better that you have your structural fundamentals right. Being a civil engineer, if your structures funda is right, then it gives you a completely different perspective to the structure. And knowing BIM and project management is the future. If you're not considering learning BIM today, you may find yourself out of the place in future, because future is project management techniques, future is BIM. So if you would like to learn structures, BIM and project management, then the third course, master study composite course, would be appropriate for you. The fourth course, we also have master study in interior designing. Now, this interior designing course is also good enough for civil engineers, I would say. If you're not really interested, not having the analytical skill for structures, not having interest in BIM and project management, then interior designing is another training program that we provide. Now, the main question people are asking us, that what exactly is the duration? So let me tell you, since it is not a timetable based training or syllabus bound training, the duration depends on you. I can say the duration is till you gain confidence that I will be able to do the project from start to end. So roughly it takes 7 to 12 months, provided you are regular. So it is not allowed to take breaks in between. It will not work out, because you're going to work with our team on the real projects. Once you submit the first project, second project will be given. Once you submit the second project, third project is given. You get exposure on residential, commercial, industrial, infrastructure, all types of projects, but it depends on your performance and dedication. This is not a syllabus bound training where everyone will get the same syllabus. This is more like you come in the office, you sit dedicatedly, you work with the team, you also do your self-study, because we don't believe in spoon feeding. If we will give you step-by-step, steps that this is how you will do the project, you will see in some system that these are the steps and you will do that. So you may not be able to learn after all, because we would have given you all the steps. We will give you the problem statement. We will give you the material required to get the answers for that particular project. And we will give you the mentorship and support. But certain things you also need to find on your own. So master study programs or corporate on-job learning programs that we are offering are basically going to be a combination of pre-recorded videos, live sessions, one-to-one mentorship, and under the guidance of our founder and managing director, Mr. Sandeep Pingale. So if you're really interested to join our course, please understand this is completely on job. Please understand this is performance-based training. So how much time you give to us, based on that, you are going to get the output. And all our trainings will offer you experience letter at the end. And which course to join? If you are confused, I don't know which course to join, then let me tell you the first 30 days of all the three courses that I told you, 1, 2, and 3. First 30 days is going to be same. So don't make your decision. And the fees is also almost same for first and the second course. Duration roughly 7 to 12 months. Generally, our training is over by 7 to 8 months, and people start preparing their portfolio by 8th or 9th month, or maximum in worst case by 12th month, everyone is placed. So these are all on-job learning programs which will give you experience letter, background verification check, complete grooming also is included in this. It's a combination of hard skill and soft skills. And if I have to talk about the first course, Master Studying Structural Engineering, please watch this video in order to understand what it is. The duration, yeah, it is 7 to 12 months, depends on you, or I can say duration is till you get the experience, till you get the confidence that I'll be able to do the project from start to end. Okay, roughly 12 months is more than enough, provided you do it properly, provided you are regular, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 hours, every day you have to be in office, Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. The next batch is, of course, next batch starting date is always on our website. Go and visit the website, next starting batch would be there. Admission should be taken at least 30 to 45 days before. And our trainings are available in 100% offline mode in Bangalore office or 100% online mode. Our team is available in Zoom from morning almost 9 o'clock to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can also log in. It's like work from home. You can log in from your home. Or if it is not possible for you to log in for the whole day, then pre-recorded videos are given. And you can ask the doubts in Zoom meeting, and you will have your own chat server where you can ask your doubts. So that's another thing. And pattern of training, of course, I already told, on the job, working on real projects. And it is like everybody's performance will differ, because it will all depend on how fast you are grasping, how much time you are giving, how many doubts you ask, how many assignments you are submitting, and how well you are following. So watch these videos to understand about the online course. Now, as far as structures course is concerned, of course, we have told multiple times, it's a niche field, it's a judgmental science, and structural engineer signature really holds value. And to go to reach that level, you will need a lot of patience. You need passion first, patience, and practice. So we are giving all the three. We are going to nurture all these three qualities if you are joining our team. Then you can just go to this page and please watch this video to understand. Many people are thinking that we'll learn StatPro and ETABS and will become structural design engineer, but it is not the reality. What you need is a holistic experience, and you need mentorship under real projects. So until and unless you have that, just by learning ETABS or StatPro, it is really difficult. You would have experienced this already. Please write your views in the comment box. And you please watch this video. Here you will see the review given by one of our ex-student who is now working in Atkins. He also worked with our company, and before that he was a bright student and bright trainee at Econstruct. So these are some of the softwares on which you will be doing projects. And these are the kind of projects you can just check out here. Some of the photos of our live sessions. And this is the uncut version. So many of you are asking that give me a demo. So if you want a demo, there are uncut versions of our sessions already given on our website. Please check it out. These are some of the whiteboard or digital board when Sandeep sir is teaching or our mentors are teaching. This is how the whiteboards look. So these are the digital whiteboards. So even if you are doing it in online, you can learn precisely. But only thing, in online, you have to make sure that you are consistent and you are coming every single day, dedicating time. If you're not if you're taking breaks, this training doesn't really work. So you have to be consistent for 7 months, minimum 7 to 8 months. These are the downloads where you can download certain things related to course, and name the company, and our trainees are placed there. All the top companies in India, people are placed. Not only in India, but even international placement becomes very easy if you have done the training very well. And you need to get at least 15 to 18 to 24 to 36 months of good experience in India, and then it becomes easy for you to enter in job market in UAE also. Even our students have got jobs with just 1 year experience also. But in worst case, consider 18 months to 24 to 36 months of relevant experience in India, and then apply for UAE, I would say. It is more easier. And you can see people who are placed in our, company. I mean, students who completed the course with us and got placed. You can get their details over here. These are the testimonial videos. Please watch. We have admissions from all over India and even abroad in online. So, and these are some of the live sessions. You know, these are the videos of live project solving, which this is how you will do the project and you will be giving presentations. So basically technical presentations and reporting skills are another important aspect that you need to learn. So through these kind of activities, you can watch these 9 videos to understand how you are going to give the technical live project presentation in our company to gain confidence, because in your workplace also you'll be expected to give technical presentations in front of your clients or your seniors or juniors. So this will equip you with that skill. And if I talk about master study in structural engineering, please check out this particular poster. This is like a summary of the whole training that we are giving. So structural engineering, fundamental based knowledge, code based knowledge, software based knowledge, and type of projects. This is the crux which you will learn in the period of 7 to 12 months. And all the FAQ has been given on our website like this. Please read each and everything to understand. You really need a lot of time to do some survey about what we are offering. Okay. And this is the current fees till 10th January. This fees holds good. After 10th January, fees may get revised a little. So keep a watch on our website to understand more about that. Now, if I have to explain you about master study in project management and BIM technology, you'll have to watch a lot of our videos, which we recently uploaded on our website. That what is BIM? First, understand what is BIM and what is project management, what is the importance of that. Do some research about BIM and project management to understand if this is your cup of tea. And if you need one-to-one counseling from us, just get in touch with us. Numbers are given on our website and in the video and in the description box. Get in touch with us for one-to-one career counseling in Zoom or walk into our office and understand first if BIM is your cup of tea and what is project management. So your portfolio after the training will look something like this, what you're seeing on the screen right now. This is how technical, technically packed portfolio should look. If your resume or CV is not having relevant project, then you may not even get shortlisted for interview. And you may wonder that, oh, there is no, you may wonder that there is no scope in the civil industry. But actually the question you need to ask yourself, are you equipped to do these kind of projects? Are you in position to handle the projects of this level and with this much of reporting and technical skills, technical presentations and technical reporting? So basically you need to learn things from scratch, understand the attitude required for a particular job if you're working in BIM or project management or structures or whatever it is, and get the right attitude, get the right mentorship, get on-job learning, learn from industry experts, and make your portfolio in such a way that just by looking at your portfolio, the HR should feel, oh my God, this is the right portfolio. And your interviewer should feel that, oh, I want this person in my team. So that's the kind of impression you need to build even before meeting your interviewer, by sending your proper portfolio. Please watch this particular video in which Aklad has actually shown his portfolio after he did the course with us. He's also placed in multiple companies now in MNC and he's well settled in his career now in BIM. So these are some of the softwares which will be covered under this course, and there can be much more to it also. These are some rough softwares, but please understand you're not coming to Econstruct to learn some softwares, because we don't believe that by learning some softwares you can become something. Softwares to be treated like tools. So today one company is using one software, another company might be using some other software. So basically what you need is the critical thinking, analytical thinking, and you need to make sure that you are in position to have that acumen to find the solution for any type of project. Because whatever projects we are going to train you, it's not necessary that your employer will give you the same project. But what we are trying to train you is the acumen required, the attitude required to face the challenges, to have that critical thinking, analytical mind, and to get the output against all the odds. So software should be treated just like a tool. You should not think that I have learned this software, so this department I will get. You should treat it like a tool. Learn the acumen that how you handle the project, and if that happens, then you will get you'll make your mark, you'll make your place in the civil industry, whether you work as an employee somewhere, or whether you start your freelancing career, or whether you start your own startup, consultancy firm, or construction firm. So that's what we always tell everyone, that don't come to Econstruct just to learn some softwares. Come here to gain the real crux of it, to gain the real, experience, and to gain the analytical skills or critical thinking. Now, these are some of the another videos in which we have given glimpses of our live sessions. You can see these are the glimpses of the digital board or whiteboard. So online students, do not worry. It is a detailed explanation. Even in online, you can, it's like work from home, or you can do this training through pre-recorded videos if you are working. So whether to do training in online, offline, or hybrid mode, I would say, if you are not having any prior experience, pack your bags, come to Bangalore and do this training only in offline. If no prior experience is there, I know it will be little difficult for you to leave your place, come here and stay. It's a matter of 7 to 8 months, but I recommend offline training for those who do not have any prior experience. If you're already in a job and if you're making good amount of money, then do this course through pre-recorded video mode. And all, you will get your chat server wherein you can ask your doubts to our mentors. You'll have numbers of our mentors, and our team is live on Zoom. You can just log in and ask your doubts whenever you have doubts. Rest of the time you can do it through pre-recorded videos, which can be watched 24/7 anytime. And if you are someone who do not wish to come to Bangalore, but you have full day of time, then you can log in. It's just like work from home. Log into the Zoom meeting once the office opens, log out once the office closes. 8 to 9 hours, you can be on Zoom meeting. You can become part of the live sessions. You can become part of the pre-recorded videos watching, and the live doubt clearing sessions also would be there for you. And it will be completely project solving kind of a training for you. So if you are someone who is not wishing to come to Bangalore but want to do it in online, and you have full day time, you're not working, then just be live on Zoom meeting whole day. That's how you can do. Again, you can see those who are placed, testimonials, places from where we have admissions, again the live competitions, and this is the summary page. I can say, if you just want to get the crux of the whole course, that what you will learn, then BIM concept based knowledge, BIM software based knowledge, project management concepts and fundamentals, and the type of projects. You can just go through this particular poster to understand what exactly we learn in the BIM and project management department. These are the FAQs. Next batch starting dates are always updated on our website from time to time. So you can just check the website for the latest, this thing, the batch starting date. And this is the fee structure till 10 January. This fee structure holds good. After 10 January 2024, fees might get a little bit revised, slightly revised. So these are the two courses which I explained you. If you want to do composite course, now, if you have to do composite course, then I just explained you master study in structural engineering and master study in project management and BIM. Just imagine both the courses together, and that is a duration of 14 to 24 months. Again, depends on your dedication, your hard work, and how fast you gain the confidence in structures, BIM and project management. Roughly 14 months to 18 months to 24 months. This is the duration. And these are the details. I already explained you two courses. So basically, imagine both the courses together, and that serves as a, you can just see this particular poster. Here you have structures, here you have BIM. So roughly in 14 months of dedicated time, you can learn this, preferably in offline mode. And this course helps you and opens doors for you in the structural consultancy firms, open doors for you in BIM and project management. So you have option where you want to work. And this course is most suitable if you are really interested in, I would say, starting your own consultancy firm in future. So initially you can gain some level of experience, and later on maybe you can even get started with your own company, but it requires a lot of planning and dedication. So first thing is to learn the skills, knowledge, and gain the relevant experience, and then plan for your business. And you would definitely need mentorship, and you would need your marketing skills in place. You will need your team in place. You will need some investment also, and moreover, a lot of patience is required to build a business. So if you think you would like to do this in future, then composite course is one of its best. This is again the FAQ, same as the other two courses that I already showed you. You get experience letter at the end, and the cost, if you add master study in structural engineering, is 1,88,800 as of today, and BIM is 1,88,800 as of today. Fees will be revised after 10 January 24. If you add both the things, then the fees comes more than 3,75,000. But if you're doing it together, then the fees is 2,24,500 as of today. After 10 January 24, it may get revised a little. So you can visit our website to know the latest fees, and you can visit our website to know the latest batch starting date. So I hope I explained you most of the crux of our on-job learning program. If you have more doubts, meet us in Zoom or simply call us on the numbers given on the screen. And happy learning till then. And I assure you that on-the-job learning only helps in order to enter into this line. And I assure you that our company is dedicated, our team is dedicated to train you right from scratch. Even if you don't know anything, you should just have thirst to learn. If you're crazy for gaining the skills and knowledge, then our team is much more crazy and much more dedicated to give you the skills which are required. So I assure you, all the trainings come with 100% placement. But then placement is not something that we will give you. Placement is something that you will earn, because we'll give you the right platform, we'll give you the right mentorship, we'll give you the right kind of exposure on projects, we'll give you even soft skill training here, soft skill and hard skill, and we'll help you make your portfolio, resume, everything. You can be with us till you get placed. So it's not that 12 months are over and it's over. If you, at the end of 12 months, if you feel that I still need to learn more, and I think I'm not ready, then nobody will stop you from continuing the training with us till you gain the right kind of experience and right kind of confidence. So I assure you that our trainings will definitely help you to get 100% placement, provided you did the training with 100% attentiveness and dedication. And some of you who are working and you are leaving your jobs and coming here might feel frustrated at times. Because you had habit of earning and suddenly you are not earning now, so you may feel frustrated, but trust me, this is just a break, small break that you are taking, because when you want to go 10 steps ahead, maybe you are coming 2 steps back. It is just a small break, and anyways you are getting experience letter from us, so on papers you're not showing any break in between. So whether to do it in online, offline, or in hybrid mode, I leave it to you. For more counseling, call me directly on the number given on the screen. Meet us in Zoom or just walk into our Bangalore office. I hope I explained as much as possible about the course. All details are also given in the description box of this video. Thank you very much and happy learning.